Imagine this. You are sleeping, no work, no phone, no meetings, but your bank account is growing. Sounds fake? It's not a movie, it's not magic. This is how money works in America. Today, I'll show you why America controls money, how people build wealth here, and what the world doesn't tell you about American money. America is not just a country, it's a money system. Here, people don't just work for money, money works for people. So, whether you're a student, a truck driver, a waiter, or, even a tech CEO, everyone is playing inside the same financial game. And honestly, the rules of this game are very different from, most countries in the world. Let me ask you something. Why is the US dollar accepted everywhere? Why do countries keep dollars in their reserves? Why do global companies trust America with their money? Because, America doesn't just print money. It controls trust. The US dollar is the world's reserve currency. Oil is traded in dollars. International business, it runs on dollars. Even when countries hate America, they still use its money. That's power. When America prints money, the whole world feels it. Inflation in America? The entire globe shakes. In many countries, people think, how can I save money? But in America, people think, how can I make money work for me? Here, money is a tool, not a trophy. People use credit investments, stocks, real estate, and businesses. Debt here is not always bad. If used smartly, it's a weapon. You borrow money at low interest, invest it into assets, and let time do the work. That's the American mindset. In America, the system rewards risk-takers, innovators, and investors. This is why a garage becomes Apple, a website becomes Amazon, and a college dropout becomes a billionaire. The system allows you to fail, but also allows you to rise fast. You can start a business in one day. You can open a bank account in just a few hours. You can even invest with as little as $10. Opportunities are everywhere, but only if you understand the system. But let's be honest, America is not easy. Money moves fast here, but life is expensive. Rent is high, healthcare is costly. If you don't understand money, the system can destroy you. Credit card debt, student loans, and bad financial decisions. They trap millions of people. America rewards intelligence with money, but punishes ignorance brutally. So, why do millions still dream of America? Well, honestly, it's because nowhere else gives you this level of opportunity, this speed of growth, and, this kind of financial freedom. In America, your background matters less than your skills. Your passport doesn't make you rich. Your mindset does. That's why immigrants often become successful here. They respect the opportunity. America is not perfect, but it is honest about one thing. Money follows value. If you create value, money will find you. If you learn the system will reward you. So the real question is not, is America rich? The real question is, are you ready to learn how money really works? Because once you do, you won't chase money anymore. Money will chase you. If you want a shorter version, a YouTube Shorts or Reel script, or a more aggressive or motivational tone, just let us know.